Hey guys, welcome to the season finale of 7 days of Cookmas. Today me have to bake something for you. 1 year on YouTube, never bake none, but here we go. Cranberry red wine fruit cake. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Make and sing and share and cooking tutorial. Welcome, like, comment, share and subscribe. Welcome to the Sauce Doctor. We are take over tonight. Sauce Doctor, welcome back to Adrian, cooking and food review. Welcome, Sauce Doctor fam. Welcome to the season finale of 7 days of Cookmas. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. So today the Sauce Doctor turned the cake doctor. You understand me? Sauce Doctor, cake doctor, cake doctor. So I don't know what we have a cut up for the season finale of 7 days of Cookmas with friends. So please go ahead and check out Mukbang and Things, Jill's Comfort Zone, and Eat, Cook and Live Up Smash. She never completed it, but she did a couple recipes, so go over there and check her out. And I'm gonna have the playlist linked down in the description box below. So today, guess what we are make? We are bake a cake for you. Yes, me are the bake doctor now. So today we're gonna be making a red wine and cherry. So we're make a cherry red wine cake. You understand me? So the reason why I decided to do this is because they have a popular Jamaican fruit cake around Christmas season, where they make it from scratch, but I didn't have my red label wine. I didn't have my Ray and Nephew red rum. So, you hear me say red rum, white rum. So, today I decided to get a devil's food cake. They have some sweet red wine. And we're going to be concocting... See, me not even know me at all. We're going to be we're going to do something. No worry on ourselves. So, already we got some of our cherries hydrated into some red wine, so we'll bring that to a boil, cover it, and let those rehydrate. So guys, we're gonna step over to our station. We're gonna introduce our ingredients, and the cake doctor will get to work. You understand me? So I'll see you over there in just a few. All right guys, so let's introduce our ingredients. As you know, I'm making my own cake using a box cake. As we said, we're making a red wine cranberry fruit cake. All right. So we have a box of extra moist devil's food cake mix. We have 5 ounces of dried cranberry that we rehydrated in 1 cup of red sweet wine. We have a instant pudding vanilla, 4 eggs, half a cup of canola oil, which is vegetable oil. And then we also have 1 more ounces of dried cranberry that we're gonna hydrate and put a little bit of sugar to make like a sugar cranberry reduction. So we want to make that to drizzle our plate. So we're going to get started. All right, so first we're going to start off with cracking our 4 eggs. All right, after we crack our 4 eggs, then we're going to add them to our bowl. We're gonna go ahead and whisk our eggs. So our 4 eggs are in. We're gonna go in with our half cup of oil. Whisk that. We're gonna put this aside, and then we're gonna be blending up our cranberries, so we'll be right back. Alright, so now we're gonna get our fruits all blended. I'm gonna add it to Alright guys, so we emptied all our fruits and wine into our magic bullet. We're gonna go ahead, stir it up. And get blended. So what we want to do, we want to still have chunks in there, so I think this is perfect. We're going to come and add this to our egg mixture, so I'll see you in just a few. All right, so we have our eggs, oil in our bowl right here. we're gonna go ahead, put in our mixed fruits, blended fruits. We're gonna go ahead and add a splash of vanilla. And we're gonna whisk this all together, combining everything. Get that beautiful color. Alright, so we'll be right back to add our dry ingredients, and then we'll see if we need any more liquid in there. Alright, so I'll see you in just a few. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our other ingredients. We're gonna go in with our vanilla pudding mix. This is just gonna help to make the cake a little bit more dense, because that's what we're going for. And our pack of Devil's Food Cake Mix. All the measurements will be down in the description box below. This is the first time trying this recipe, so you're seeing it with me. I'm no baker, but guess what? We gonna make it work. And you wanna whisk this all together. All right. We're gonna be mixing. So I know it needs more liquid. So we did rinse out our container where we blend our cranberry and wine. This is half more cup of wine. We're not trying to make a drunken cake, so if we need any more liquid, we'll just add some water. But just look how beautiful that looks on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we've been mixing our cake. That's the consistency. But we need it to be a little bit more runny. So we're gonna add half cup of water to that. And we're gonna keep whisking, and we'll be right back to show you the consistency and get ready to put it in our air fryer using the convection oven, all right? So we're gonna add the last third cup of wine. So we're gonna have all the measurements, as I said, down in the description box below. We're working on this recipe with you guys, all right? So look at that. See, it have that nice red cherry chocolate color, but it's cranberry. Okay, so we're gonna be right back. We're gonna grease our tray and start getting our cake baking. All right, guys. So now we're gonna be greasing our pan. Butter it. Butter your pan. Butter your pan. Air fryer preheated at 350 for 35 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pour our cake batter on our tray right here. This is definitely gonna swell and gonna bubble over the top, you know? A lot of cake, but you know what? This is what we have, and we're gonna use it. All right, so we'll see you in just a few. So our cake is going to be going into our air fryer convection bake oven. Okay. We're going to get to baking. So guys, you saw me put in that other pan. That other pan wouldn't fit. So I had to go back for the pan that they use in there. So we're going to go ahead and put that in on the second rack, and we're gonna have our cake start to bake. All right, so there you have it. We'll see you in a few minutes. We're gonna check on it periodically, but I hope this cake turned out good enough, because I don't want to post a disaster. But guys, we're gonna let this cake go for the next 35 minutes. And then we're gonna come, once it's hot out of the oven, we're gonna brush it with a little bit more of that red wine. You understand me? So I'll see you guys in just a few. With just a few minutes in, you can see the cake starting to get a nice little bubbly crust on top. So we'll see how long this cake takes to bake, but we gave it 35 minutes on 350. So we're gonna check on it periodically, and then do our, knife, if it comes out clean, test. Then it's done. It may bubble over a little bit because this pan wasn't big enough, but we have to make it work. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm excited for this one. I hope you are too. So I'll see you in a few more minutes while we check on our cake. Alright, so it's about 15 minutes in. And I'm gonna show you how this looks. Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of myself. You can see it's baking. Now the inside is still jiggly. So you know the inside gonna need a little bit more cooking. So it may take a little longer, but look at that, the cake is coming out. So it's gonna be a success. It's going to be a success. Alright, so stick around because you don't want to miss this. Alright guys, so our cake is on the air fryer convection oven. The cake only took 28 minutes. 27, 28 minutes. So it's hot. We're gonna go on and brush our red wine on top. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Alright guys, so we're gonna plate up our delicious cake. We have our cranberry wine reduction. Just look at that. We just got some sugar, our wine, and our cranberry. Alright. We're gonna go on with our delicious piece of cake. Guys, this cake is off the chain. When I say off the chain, I mean off the tube. So we're gonna go ahead and garnish with a piece of grape, a piece of lime tweel. We didn't have any cherries. I forget to buy it. And you know what? We're gonna make it work. You know what I mean, name sauce doctor, right? So we're gonna get over to our taste test. So I'll see you in just a few. Alright guys, so we have come to the finale of 7 days of Cookmas. And there's no way to end this, no better way to end this than with a delicious cake. Just look at that. Ooh! Cranberry red wine cake. See there? Me turn from sauce doctor to the bake doctor, you understand me? But let's dig in. Make we dig in here, man. Get that little red wine reduction. All of that. Let me get a piece of the grape too. I'll give you the first. Look at that. Look at that cake. Look at that cake. So moist. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this series because I don't know when I get me a cook for them. And shout out to everybody who came back every day for this 7 days of Cookmas. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you to all my friends who have joined me in 7 days of Cookmas. And the recipe them turn up to, you know. Look at that. I can't stop eating. Air fryer, buddy. Don't forget, gourmet air fryer. But make sure it's a bless. You understand me? God bless me with talent. So to take you guys out today, I just want to say thank you so much. I hope you all have a happy holiday. And when you enjoy with friends and family, understand me, every single day is another day to, you know, just have fun, live responsibly, of course. But guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like the content and you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. And as always say, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your neighbors. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of this fun and personality. Don't click off the video just yet because you want to be serenaded by the one and only Silas Mukbang. Thank you for today. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next mukbang video. Understand me? Love you guys.
Thank you for today, for today. Thank you for today, for today. Really what I really want to say is thanking you for watching my video today. Thank you.